Now we will discuss structure of a tooth. A tooth has three parts: the crown, the neck, and the root. Basically, tooth is divided into three parts, that is crown, the neck, and the root. Okay, suppose this is a figure of one tooth. So now you can find it. Basically, there is a three part: the crown, at the middle part neck, and the root. Okay, the crown is the part of the tooth that is visible above the gum. The part which is visible above the gum is known as crown. The neck is the region of tooth that is at the gum line between the root and the crown. See, at the gum line between the crown and the root, that is neck, at just at the crown line. The root is the region of a tooth that is present below the gum. So the root is the region that is placed below the gum. It holds the tooth firmly. The function of root that to hold it firmly means to hold it strongly. The surface of a tooth is made up of harder substance in our body known as enamel. Now, the surface, the white part, is made up of the hardest particle, that is enamel. Below the enamel, the layer present is called dentine. Just below the enamel, it is dentine. You can see it here, dentine. It is slightly softer than enamel. It is softer than enamel if you compare it. The soft portion present inside the teeth contain nerves and the blood vessels. See, the soft portion present inside the teeth is known as, that contains pulp and the blood vessels, and the soft portion is known as pulp. Now we will discuss the tooth decay. It is important to look after our teeth. We should keep our teeth and gums and mouth clean, prevent cavities. We should mm, clean our teeth to protect from our teeth from cavities. Cavities can cause toothache. We must brush our teeth every day. We eat a small particle of food get stuck between our teeth. Germs start growing on these food. A thin sticky layer of germs is called plaque. Now see, when we start eating the food stuck in between of this teeth and this uh, created the house for the germs and bacteria. So this created plaque. Germs grow in our mouth, produces plaque on our teeth and around the gums. This produces aid that affect the teeth and the gum. It may cause small holes in internal enamels. Later gums enter through the holes called tooth decay. This may cause severe pain. If we leave it unattended, the tooth can even fall down. If any of the permanent teeth fall, it cannot be replaced by a new tooth. Now, if the permanent teeth will fall, you cannot replace it. Okay. Now, the next topic is tooth decay cause severe problems such as, now due to tooth decay we can have severe problems such as tooth decay, bleeding of gum and yellow tooth and a bad breath. Now, the next topic is taking care of teeth and gums. We should take care of our teeth and gums. What are these care? We will discuss it one by one. Brush your teeth regularly every morning before going to bed at night. Now, every morning we should brush our teeth and we should brush our teeth at night before going to bed. Gently brush each side of your teeth and gum. We should gently brush our teeth. We should not roughly brush our teeth. Do not eat too much sweets, chocolate, toffees, candies. Avoid drinking too much accelerated drinks if you don't rinse your mouth immediately. Now, just eating after these kind of things. We should avoid accelerated drink means soda and all that. And if we drink, we should wash our mouth immediately. Eat green leafy vegetables and fibrous fruits in good quantity. We should you eat leafy vegetables and the fibrous fruits, the food which are rich in fiber. Go to a dentist every 6 months for a dental checkup. We should visit to a dentist in the interval of 6 months, every means after every 6 months. Do not share your brush with other. You should not share your brother. It may spread the germs. It may transfer the germs from one mouth to the another mouth. Use a good quality toothpaste and toothbrush to brush your teeth.